You may be wondering what I am doing. I'm doing something that should have been done a long time ago. This laptop has served its purpose for 8 ongoing years and is bound for an overhaul. This laptop started its life in 2016 and was shipped to my high school. 223 of these roamed around my school. Today, only a handful are still left in service. I will be cannibalizing the machine for my good friend Preston in order to prolong mine. I'm starting off by removing the motherboard from mine, and the plan is to put it in Preston's old casing, because mine has lots of strip screws and it isn't holding its structure too well and it has lots of cracks. So let's go and fix that. A big culprit of my many structural issues has been these screws on the bottom. They are stripped from the mounting points and they connect the back plate together. And that lack of structure on these two vital foundations has led to the crack in the frame by the hinge, and it can no longer serve its purpose as a fully folding tablet. I'll be trying my best to salvage these. This laptop will now house the internals of this laptop. The donor laptop is structurally sound and has fine hinges, and making it a perfect candidate to host the internals. My plan is to just take the motherboard out of this laptop and put my motherboard into this one and button it all back up. When I was taking apart my old laptop, I found a missing bracket plate. It should have been attached like this on the other side. It was a simple fix, so I just took the screws from the donor laptop and mended them together like new. This has been the leading culprit in my struggle against structure for sure. And now it's time to prepare to boot up the laptop. Let's power it on. And it worked. These stickers are well worn and every scratch has been earned on this laptop. It isn't pretty, but it performs perfectly just for me. It gives me an ease of mind because this is something that I need. Something that is reliable and something I can take pride in because I did this myself.